concerning a great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, with all the other birds flocking round her. She is so despised by the flock, the great speckled bird in the Bible, representing the great church of God. Desiring to lower her standard, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake.